পায়ের জবা হয়ে ওঠ না ফুটে মন, আমার মায়ের পায়ের জবা হয়ে ওঠ না ফুটে মন। তার গন্ধ না থাক, তার গন্ধ না থাক, যা আছে সে নয় রে ভুয়ো আবরণ। গন্ধ না থাক, ও তার গন্ধ না থাক, যা আছে সে নয় রে ভুয়ো আবরণ। মায়ের পায়ের জবা হয়ে ওঠ না ফুটে মন। জানি জুই মালতী হায় কত গন্ধ যে ছড়ায়, তবু ঘরের ফেলে পরের কাছে নিজের বিলায়। জানি জুই মালতী হায় কত গন্ধ যে ছড়ায়, তবু ঘরের ফেলে পরের কাছে নিজের বিলায়। ওরে তোর মতো যে নেই কো তাদের মায়ে পোয়ে আলাপন, তোর মতো যে, ও মন তোর মতো যে নেই কো তাদের মায়ে পোয়ে আলাপন। মায়ের পায়ের জবা হয়ে ওঠ না ফুটে মন, আমার মায়ের পায়ের জবা হয়ে ওঠ না ফুটে মন। আমার মায়ের পায়ের জবা হয়ে ওঠ না ফুটে মন।
Pera of Kalighat, Kolkata, one of the oldest sweets of Kolkata. Yes, it is very much contextual to discuss regarding the Pera Sandesh of Kalighat on the auspicious eve of Kalipuja and Diwali. Before finding the history of the evolution of Pera Sandesh of Kalighat, we should have gone through the backdrop of Kalighat and Kalikata, which is present-day Kolkata. Just like Mumbai got its name after Mumba Devi, Mumba goddess, and I mother or Ma, Mumba plus I Mumbai, Kolkata also got its name after Kali Ma of Kalighat. Kalikata, the older name of Kolkata, derived from Kalikhetra, means the abode of goddess Kali. Kolkata became Calcutta during the British era, and finally from Calcutta it has become present-day Kolkata. But it is still unknown about the history of the evolution of the Pera Sandesh, the principal offering at Kalighat temple. We don't know when the Pera Sandesh was first evolved or offered to goddess Kali, but we know some facts related to Kalighat and Pera Sandesh. Fact 1. Chaurangi Nath, who belonged to Nath Yogi Sampradaya, was the first priest of Kalighat temple in the 10th to 11th century. In his initial days, he was a prince of Kumilla, present-day Bangladesh. A hearsay in Kolkata is that one of the most popular and the oldest roads of Kolkata, the Chaurangi Lane, was named after Chaurangi Nath, the first priest of Kalighat, Kolkata. Fact 2. Nagaon district of Bangladesh has been very famous for its Pera Sandesh for centuries. As per hearsay, Mahendra Das was the inventor of Nagaon, Bangladesh Pera Sandesh. Mahendra Das belonged to Bihar of ancient India in his initial days. He brought the technique of making sandesh with khoya or dehydrated milk for the first time in the Bengal region throughout undivided Bengal. Interestingly, Nagaon Bangladesh Pera is similar in taste to the Pera of Kalighat, Kolkata, and even the process of making them are also very similar. Nagaon Pera was first made to offer goddess Kali of Nagaon Kalitala of present-day Bangladesh. As per the research and assumptions, we can say it can be a possible source of Kalighat Pera Sandesh. Chatna of Bankura district in West Bengal is also very popular for its pera. However, the ingredients and techniques used to make Bakura pera are slightly different than Kalighat and Nagaon, Bangladesh. So, we are not taking the route of Bakura to find the source of Kalighat Pera Sandesh and stick with Pera of Nagaon, Bangladesh as the source of Kalighat Pera. So enjoy the recipe of Kalighat Pera Sandesh for the first time on YouTube with a brief history, facts and findings related to vintage Kolkata, Kalighat and the Pera of Kalighat. Happy Diwali and Dipabali to all.